Hello everyone. So this is experiment 4 continuation. We have discussed about if statement. Now we'll discuss about switch statement. So let's open a new script. Okay, let's comment it as switch statement. Switch statement. Okay. So what we will try to do is we will try to do 4 operation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, using the switch and case statement. And if we perform any other, we ask the system or the program any other operation, it will show me a message that it cannot calculate this. So using the switch case statement will do it. Okay. So for that, first we need to have input as one of the number. So let's put the input m is equal to, let's take the number as m, input enter a number. Okay, encoding. Take another input n is equal to input enter another number. Let us tell the system to ask us what we need to perform the operation. Okay, the system will ask us whether we need to perform addition, we need to perform subtraction or not. Like it will ask what you need to perform. Okay, then if we type add, then it should do addition. If we type multiply, then it should multiply. Okay, so for that we will again take one input a is equal to input. Okay. What do you need to what do you need to perform? Now we'll switch this statement. Switch A. In the case addition or add, we have the output for this is output is equal to m plus n. M plus we take the case subtract and we have the output as output is equal to m minus n. We will take another case of multiplication, name it as multiply. So output is equal to n into m. Okay. Other case as divide output is equal to n by m by n. Okay. So we'll in case of all these 4, we'll do the performed operation. Perform the operation what is been asked. Okay. Other than this, if any operator is used, okay, if any other than add, subtract, multiply or divide, if we type anything else, it will show me the message that I cannot calculate it. Okay. So For that we use otherwise display sorry it cannot be calculated. Understood. Okay, let's save it. Yes. Good. Let's call out first thing is the path. Okay, so it's asking me enter a number. So let's say 3. Enter another number. Let's say 4. What do you need to perform in asking me? So we should perform addition. Let's say addition. Add. So remember this, if you type only add, then it will show me a undefined function or a variable. So we need to define as the way we have defined in the program. Okay. Now it will add 3 and 4. It has added to 7. Okay. Okay. You can close the script window and then also you can call out. So let's see what was the name you have given. S2. It is asking you enter a number 4. Enter another number 5. What do you need to perform? Say you want to perform subtraction. SUB. You have used SUB subtract, right? So this doing 4 minus 5 as minus. Other than this, अगर आप एडिशन मल्टीप्लिकेशन जो भी आपने इसमें 4 दिए हैं उसको छोड़ के अगर आप कोई और चीज देते तो काम करता है नहीं काम करता. Let's see 4 7. What do you need to perform? Let's say integration. Good. Just telling giving the message. Sorry, it cannot be calculated. Okay. So this is how the switch statements work. Now let's move on to for loops. Take a new script and add on the comment as for loops. So suppose you want to display the number from 1 to 10. Okay. So directly you use for I is equal to 4 minus 2. So this is the syntax of for loop. Display I. Counted in the loop. Okay, so it will print the number from 1 to 10 with the auto increment of 1. So you can type any program over this. It will, if you don't define the incrementation, it will automatically increment by 1. Okay, if you define it, the incrementation, that will increment by that number. Okay, we will see in the another program. This is, let's save it. Let's call out this function. So it is printing the number from 1 to 10. Now suppose if you want to define your own increment, suppose by 2. So let's go to the again the script. Okay. So for I is equal to define the increment as 2. Now what it will do? It will print the number with an increment of 2. 1, 3, so on. Okay, let's see that. Let's save it first. Let's see. What it is giving the output. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 up till 10, because we have defined the range from 10. If we change that 10 from 10, if we change to another number, it will go to that number. Okay, so then step of 2 is 0. So if you want to loop, okay, you want to add one more loop, you can add using for loop. Okay, you want continuous loop. Okay, so until that situation is met, the for loop will still go on. Okay, and the time the endpoint is reached, it will come out of the loop. Okay, so now let's see about while loop. Okay, while loop is basically checking the conditions. Okay, so while using the while loop, you have to be very careful. Okay, do not put it into an infinite situation. Okay, if the while loop is continuously true, then it will go to an infinite loop and your system will hang. Okay, so let's say comment while loop. Suppose let's take one variable as value equal to 50, n is equal to 5, while this is the condition while value is greater than 0. Value is equal to value minus n. Display value. Okay, now come out of it. Okay, so it has the condition of while value is greater than 0. So if you type the numbers greater than 0, only then it will accept the number, or else it will come out of the loop and come to the end. Okay, if it is greater than 0, it will subtract that number from 5. Okay, so let's save it and see what will happen. So is calculating from 50 minus 5, 45. Okay, then 45 minus 5, 40, then 40 minus 5, 35, 35 minus 5, 30. Okay, 25 minus 5, 20, then 20 minus 5, 15, 15 minus 5, 10, 10 minus 5 is 5, and 5 minus 5 is 0. So now the value has reached 0. So below that it will not print. Okay, because we have the condition while value is greater than 2. Okay, we have taken an initialization that value is 50. Okay, value is equal to 50 is greater than 0 or not? Yes, it is greater than 0. So it will do what? Now it will check while value is greater than 0. Yes, it is greater than 0. Now it will go to the second statement, that is value is equal to value minus n, and the value of n we have given as 5. So first it will subtract 5 from the 50. Now we have the number as 45. Again it will check while value is greater than 0 now. 45 is greater than 0 or not? Yes, it is greater than 0. So again it will go to 45 minus 5. Now the next number we'll get is 40. 40 is again greater than 0. Then again 40 minus 5, 35. So this is how the while loop is checking the different values. Thank you very much.